welcome back. This is Kinah with SweetGemLife. I am going to be unboxing the September Cocoa Daisy planner kit. I do get the main planner kit without the inserts, and if you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. So guys, this month's kit name is Doodles and Dashes. Our kit card says, I am so incredibly excited to share this month's collection with you. It is truly one of my all-time favorites. September's colors remind me of the end of summer skipping its way into fall, and the artwork has a bold yet soft, whimsical feel to it. Inspired by hand-drawn doodles found in bullet and art journals, Doodles and Dashes allows you to jump in and just about go in any creative direction you want. I can't wait to dive into this month's kit, and I can't wait to see what you create with it too. Christine. So, let's go ahead and jump into this kit. So excited. I'm really enjoying my Cocoa Daisy kits. It's everything you need, as I stated last month, for your planner. So I'm just gonna grab what's here on the top. We have our clip for the month. This is a cute little flower, and it's felt, I believe. Clip. Y'all, look at this. This is so cute. We have our leaves back there. Super cute. So we have our clip, and let me put it back in here before it catches something and gets torn up. Then we have this washi. Ooh, I love it. She likes it. She likes it. Let's see. We've got this floral washi, and it is pretty much doodled, and it's super pretty. Look at these colors. Y'all, look at that. So cute. I like that. This is the washi in this month's box. I love it. Next, it says, this is a sticky note, in case you were wondering. No, we were not wondering, but thank you for that information. This is funny. I like this. And it has this little paint stain splotch here, and it is a sticky note. So we have those as the sticky note for this month. You're gonna get in there? Get in there. Thank you. And then let's jump into our little pouch this month. We have our pen refills. We'll go over the pen in just a minute. And then we have our pen test sheet and some notes, some page notes. I like this. I'm loving the florals here as the check boxes. And we have our florals up there. And then the next item here, since we're already into the pen, is the pen for this month. Loving the vine, the black and the white with the black crystals. As usual, it does say Cocoa Daisy on the clip and has the daisy there at the top. So let's go ahead. Again, this is a ballpoint pen. At least I think it is, with this craziness on the edge. Does that come on the regular ballpoint pens? No, this has to be a gel pen. Corrected. I stand corrected. So what am I missing? Get off. So that's the pen in this month's box. We have our pen refills, we have our notepad, and our pen test sheet. So that's the pen. We have some die cuts. Y'all, look at this. Let's get them all out of there. So we've got flowers. Are those dahlias? I'm not sure. They look like zinnias. There's a bee on there. Got more florals. Lots and lots of florals. Very pretty. Very cute. Look at the little banner. And then, wait a minute, we still have florals here. And then we have our 6 tabs. So let's push these up so we can look at the tabs. We've got that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are our die cut stickers and our adhesive tabs. Okay, the next item is our monthly stickers. So we have page number 1 that has our September stickers, our days of the week, our dates. We've got another sticky tab here. We've got these here. We've got some headers, meal plan, September goals, hello September, notes, month at a glance, vacation planner trackers, daily to-do list, challenges. And then we have our icons here at the bottom. We have our running shoe, payday, recycle, Chinese food, coffee, shopping, crock pot, cleaning, trash, and laundry. And then the second page we have our lettering. We've got some more date covers and some half and quarter boxes and some flags here. And then we have the deco from this month's kit. Pretty much everything that was in the die cut is here on this sheet. So this is these are the stickers for this month. And then let's check out our pouch. So this month our pouch says live every day with intention, which is the goal, right? That's the goal. We have our canvas pouch with the Cocoa Daisy tag. Both sides are the same. Live every day with intention. We have the black zipper. Well, it's actually gunmetal. And that's the inside for you to store your Cocoa Daisy goodies in. And then we have our papers. So we have the double-sided cardstock papers. And remember, I told you guys these sheets are, I'm not sure what the size of these are. I know they are larger than the 8.5 by 11. And they are double-sided. We have the florals and our dots. Cute, cute. And then we have this abstract. Oh, florals. Very cute, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the September 2021 Cocoa Daisy Doodles and Dashes kit. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Mm-hmm.